and the morning breeze begins to dance through the trees, I lift my voice.
Reminds me that even after the darkest night, a brighter day will always come. I sing through moments of laughter.
Beautiful tune. The stars seem to sparkle in harmony, the rivers clap along with gentle waves, and the birds join the chorus as if the whole world has become one grand stage.
Until it touches every heart willing to listen. No matter where life takes me, I will keep singing with faith in tomorrow, because a single joyful melody has the power to heal broken spirits, bring strangers together, and remind us all that the most beautiful.
All of those voice changes were done in real time using SeedVC Realtime on an NVIDIA GTX 1063 GB. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up, download the portable version, and use it for real-time voice calls. All you need is a 5 to 10 second voice sample, and you can instantly transform your voice in real time. SeedVC Realtime is optimized to work on low VRAM graphics cards, and I personally tested it on a GTX 1063 GB. The best part? It's completely free, no subscriptions, no credits, and no hidden costs. Once you download it, you can use it for a lifetime. There's no installation required either. Just extract the files and start using it. Watch this video until the end to learn where to download it, how to set it up, and how to use it for real-time voice calls, gaming, Discord streaming, and more. There's Buy Me Coffee link in my description to get SeedVC Realtime. You can also check other tools in portable form. I have saved the history. Once you download it's under 3 GB zip file, why you need 7 zip extractor to extract. To use it you need to have CUDA Toolkit installed, Visual Studio, FFmpeg and VB cable for voice calling. After extracted inside extracted folder, there is Start Portable NVIDIA file. Double click on it to run SeedVC Realtime. To use it you need at least 5 to 12 seconds of audio file in WAV format. Don't use long files. Upload voice file. Input device should be your real microphone and output device should be VB cable input. After selecting, click Start Voice Conversation. If you looking in command window you will see this loading. Keep an eye on lit per second. If they not consistent you will have breakup in result. It do that because either your CUDA toolkit not installed or graphic card drivers not updated. For voice calling, for example on WhatsApp, go to Settings. In microphone option choose VB cable output, and speakers option your real speakers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more free AI tools, local installation guides, and portable software tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. You can find the download links and other useful resources in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.